Right, this is how you make spring roll. So you need some kind of lettuce, cucumber cut like this, mint, cilantro, chop up grilled pork, the shrimp, peel the shell off and cut into half like this.
Split it in there.
And then you need the spring roll skin. Alright, that's how she do it. She soak the spring roll skin into a warm water like this in a bowl. You need a noodle too right here, this kind of noodle right here. This, put 3 shrimp right there, just put the lettuce on the bottom and then the noodle and then she'll put mint, pork, and then cilantro too. And then cucumber. So it's pretty healthy. That's cilantro. Go next. And then she roll it. How you roll it? Roll like that. Okay. You pinch the end. And alright. That's how she does it. Now the way you see the shrimp showing up like that, you put like that. So it's 3 shrimp basically. 3 half shrimp.
So, shoot.
Oh, do another one. Yeah, just throw it away. Yeah, do one.
No, it's good.
Okay.
I can still use it.
I do another one. Just soak the skin. A piece of that broke off. You can still use it. Alright.
I only like that one.
You like the red lettuce? You use it? Any lettuce would do, right? And then you put 3 shrimp like this. When you roll it, the shrimp show up. Yeah, the shrimp show up on the side. You put it on here, you wouldn't show up. So you put lettuce.
This is a roast pork already bought.
Roast pork.
You slice it too small, so easy
Chop
to
it
eat.
up, yeah. There's a lot of vegetable right here. Yeah, you know.
Whatever you like.
Yeah, mint and cilantro, cucumber. You roll it like that, and then you
Fold it.
fold it. It's easy.
There you go.
Okay. One more. Soak it.
That's the warm water from tap water.
Yeah.
That the
Warm.
hot, make it hot, so
Yeah.
and not long. Just
It's pretty healthy, and then
I like it. I don't like the taste.
lettuce noodle. Ground pork, grilled pork, chop up grilled cucumber, mint, 3 half shrimp,
1, 3 pieces.
yeah, that's it. Cilantro on the top.
Sometimes you do too many, you forgot some.
Right. Yep. It's very, very delicious. That's it. That's how you do it. Guys, give it a taste. This is a spring roll. The sauce you can make it with. You can dip it with hoisin sauce, but we like to dip it with fish sauce and then crushed peanut and then put some chili sauce and chili pepper in there. Like sriracha too, you know. Dip in there, eat it. So good. So good. Very healthy. so good.